Before you start, make sure you have the following accessories. The following tools are not provided in the BP Ultra system. Both these tools are important should you need to install the adapter or to replace the cartridges. Before installing the two-way valve to the faucet, unscrew the side cap of the two-way valve. Insert the rubber hose into the cap and fasten it back into the side outlet of the two-way tap. Remove the aerator from the faucet and tighten the two-way tap onto the faucet. If the faucet cannot be connected to the two-way tap, you may install the adapter provided to the faucet. Use a Phillips crosshead screwdriver to tighten the adapter to the faucet. Once done, tighten the two-way tap to the adapter. Connect the rubber hose to the BP Ultra water filtration system. The water inlet is located at the back of the unit. Remove the seal at the water inlet and insert the rubber hose into the water inlet. To ensure that the rubber hose is fastened correctly, gently tug on the rubber hose. To release white rubber hose, press on the white ring at the water inlet and pull at the same time. When the two-way tap valve handle is facing downwards, you will get tap water. For filtered water, turn the handle 90 degrees and open the BP Ultra valve. Turn off the unit valve once done. To open the BP Ultra filtration system, unfasten the clip located at the front portion of the unit by using a flathead screwdriver. Unfasten another clip located at the back of the unit with the same screwdriver. Once the front and back portions of the clip have been unfastened, lift up the water filtration system cover. Slide the cartridges out from the system base. Both the base and cartridge are numbered for easy identification. To remove the cartridge, gently twist the cartridge out from the holder.